Welcome to KreditLens, your AI smart tool to get instant clarity on your business finances. In just minutes, you'll see where you stand and how lenders view your business. First, open your browser and visit www.creditlens.com. Ensure you have your financial statement and bank statements ready, as you'll be uploading them later. Once you're on the homepage, click the Get Your KreditLens button, which will redirect you to the KreditLens platform. Next, set up your account with your first and last name, your company name, your designation in the company, and contact details. Then type in your email address and your desired password. Once you've filled in all the fields, click Create Account. Now you're ready to start generating your first KreditLens report. To generate your first report, click the Get My KreditLens button from the pop-up tab. Here's where you'll upload the key details for your analysis. Enter your forecasted revenue and total employees. Next, upload your latest financial statement and at least 3 months of bank statements. Note that the more recent and accurate your uploads are, the more precise and closer to real-time your insights will be. Once done, click Submit. It only takes minutes for our AI to do the work. After that, you'll see a pop-up saying your report is ready. From there, your dashboard becomes a snapshot of your business. You'll see your health summary with tailored recommendations, key financial metrics, bank analysis showing your account trends, and business loan options with loan eligibility to top recommended lenders. When you're ready, you can even apply for a business loan directly through the Credit Hero SME Loan Marketplace. And there you have it. You now have instant AI-powered insights into your business's financial health. To get the most out of KreditLens, we recommend generating your report regularly. This way, you'll always have an up-to-date view of your finances and be better prepared for opportunities like securing a loan or planning your next stage of growth. For questions and concerns, email us at creditlens@credithero.com.